The largest manufacturer of confectionery, bakery, cereal, and commercial machinery in the world started right here in Trenton, Ontario. Joseph Baker, ironically, had watched his wife engaged in the tedious task of sifting her own stone-milled flour to remove the impurities, and processing a mechanical turn of mind, he decided to make a little machine that would make the task easier. In the 1860s, Joseph invented the combined flour scoop and sifter and started to sell it house to house until he built a factory in Trenton. The device was an instantaneous success, and soon they gave up sale of other things and made arrangements for the large-scale manufacturing of the sifter. Joseph Baker's invention won 18 gold medals at the Chicago's World Fair. The sifters were made in a little workshop in Trenton, and a Canadian patent was taken out on the 12th of January, 1870. And in 1876, he started moving the business and his family to London, England, and started Joseph Baker and Sons, which eventually morphed into the Baker Perkins Group Empire, the worldwide supplier of food processing equipment. Another mostly true story of Trenton.